Good morning. So I have a full day today. Like I have 2 clients, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So I'm just going to go get ready and go straight to my first client. First do my skincare. Oh, diba? Transitionist, even on YouTube. So let's get ready with the makeup. Diba, magic? Nawala ang scars. Okay, here's the final look. Fresh lang because lisod na no na ako naging makeup artist. Hargad balik ko. Dapat ko pa ta. Yeah, and here's the look. Kung makada look, here's the outfit. Okay, so I'm actually running late now and I got to go. Okay, so I'm low-key running late but it's okay. Kay si Johan akong first client. Johan is my friend. Okay, ito siya. Just. So ako lang for this morning. Coffee break. So ako lang for this morning. Kay Johan's gonna do her hair herself for daw. Then I'm gonna meet up later with my assistant. Charot, assistant. Ako bitong. Uyab, charot. Anyways, I'm driving to her house now. And later, among next client is at 2 p.m. sa Bay Hotel. So, this will be fun. Hi, we're here.
Another sound. I'm so sorry. I thought it was like...
This is a YouTube video. So, this is Johan. We're gonna do her makeup. So, ako lang i-time lapse.
1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Cutie Beauty, my favorite. Let me put on the blush. Lash glue for the kilay. Super recommend this kanang pang kilay. I use this for my clients. Kaya look at the before ha, like ko ano ni lash glue. Then ang after, like pak, microblade. Sino yarn? Picture time. Kana, nice. Ano sa ubos? Anak gamay ang bayut, like, who is she? Bana, bayut. Who is she? Who is this? Bayut mo niya kayo. Side, other side. Nga. Yung aura. Tanaw sa ring light. Kana, nice day. Mura kag Barbie day. Nice. Tanaw da day. Smile. Okay. We're done. Time to clean up. Oh my god, kainit ani shit. Okay guys, manako kan Johan. So time to go to the next one, which is akong friend gihapon si Sofia sa Bay Hotel. So I'm excited because she sent me an inspo look na pink. I'm gonna show you here. And I'm excited to do it kay walang ganahan akong colorful looks. So I'm on the way there na. It's currently 12:59 p.m. and yung booking time is 2 to 2:30 ang start. So let's go. Makdo for lunch, drive-thru lang. Also, naabot na akong assistant. Siya na yung driver po today. Kay Kapoy. Guys, and the view. Pak! Sa man ni. Mag-start na tag-makeup. Here with Sophia. Hi! Akong kanang si NULS classmate friend.
Oh, since alam.
So, mag-makeup na taniya. Sige, go. Hindi mo lang Okay, tanaw sa ring light. Kana. Yan sa camera. Hi. We are done on the way to the car, and guys, grabe kay kauwan. Currently, it's 4 p.m. and mga oni. Charis. Bye-bye. Here at Bradex for the food. We got steamed rice, bacon roll, one ngoyong, then siomai, of course. And I got a Coke. Can I get one venti iced pure matcha latte, then Sabre Bay, then add 3 pumps of white mocha, please?